How to assemble a 6-shelf multipurpose shoe rack organizer. Take one rectangular panel and connect it with the feet connectors. Attach square panels vertically to the base as marked with connectors on both ends for the panel. To create shelves or partitions, clip the buckle locks onto the square panels. Make sure buckles are placed on both sides evenly for proper support. Place the rectangular panel on top of the buckles. This will act as the shelf. Finally, close the unit by adding a rectangular panel to the back and top. Use a hammer to secure all joints for added stability. Follow the same steps to assemble the remaining sections and build the complete rack. Once the structure is complete, attach the doors by snapping them into the connectors securely. For the final touch, fix the metal hook onto one of the side square panels, ideal for hanging accessories like keys or umbrellas. Your BOXJOY